At O&Y Precision, we work with some of the most advanced materials in aerospace, like 7050 aluminum. We rely on the Matsuura MX-520 to deliver complex, high-precision, 5-axis machining, day and night. The MX-520 is built for performance, accuracy, and repeatability. Its rigid structure and simultaneous 5-axis capabilities make it ideal for aerospace, defense, and medical components that demand tight tolerances and complex geometries. What sets our setup apart is the integrated multi-pallet system. With 4 pallets, we can run lights-out machining, maximizing spindle uptime and reducing lead times. It allows us to preload jobs, keep parts flowing, and respond quickly to changing priorities, all without interrupting production. Whether it's prototyping or high-mix, low-volume runs, this system gives us the flexibility and consistency our customers count on.